Hello folks, it's time to look into another weather maps layer in WeatherMate. So we move on to hurricanes overlays this week. This map layer portrays storms of different categories including invest, tropical depression, tropical storm and categories from 1 to 5. Switch on the legend for a bit of guidance. Let's pinch to zoom out so that we can find the prevalent storms. Here we go. This is our first storm, which actually is an invest with wind speed of 35 miles per hour and is heading towards the west. This is its current state. And our second storm is actually Hurricane Hilda with wind speeds of about 95 miles per hour, which is moving forward with a speed of 5 miles per hour towards the northwest. Now let's delve into the different options that we can use with this layer to understand our storms. Check past track observations. It helps to find a storm similar to current one and then use that previous storm track to predict where some current storm is going. So our track history tells us that this invest began on August the 6th at 15 miles per hour. And on August the 9th, the wind speeds increased to 25 miles per hour. And currently we have winds of around 35 miles per hour as we saw earlier as well. Let's try the same exercise with our second storm. This a more violent Hurricane Hilda started on August the 6th at 35 miles per hour. It got turned into a tropical storm a day later and the wind speeds rose to 60 miles per hour. On the second day of the storm, we had winds of around 80 miles per hour, and in fact, we had a hurricane of category 1. On the very same day, but almost 12 hours later, we had a hurricane of category 2, and the wind speeds reached 105 miles per hour. And on August 9th, our hurricane attained category 4 with wind speeds of a whopping 135 miles per hour. And this is our current situation of Hurricane Hilda as discussed earlier. Having seen the track history, let's do some forecasting of what will happen to the storms in the coming days. Now, in the next 36 hours, the hurricane will lose its strength and become a tropical storm with wind speed of 60 miles per hour. And this is the forecast for the next 72 hours for Hurricane Hilda. And our 4-day forecast says that the hurricane will be transformed into a tropical depression with wind speeds of 35 miles per hour. And on the 5th day, it will attenuate further. We also have the wind radius option, which is the distance between the center of the cyclone and its band of strongest wind, and is measured in knots. And finally, the cone of uncertainty, which represents the probable track of the center of a tropical cyclone and is used in forecasting the hurricanes. That's it for now, guys. This video was real fun. Till next time, take care.